One Smart Cookie, Bite-Sized Lessons for the School Years and Beyond by Amy Krouse Rosenthal. Illustrated by Jane Dyer and Brooke Dyer. Prompt means when it's time to make the cookies, we are here and ready on the dot. Organized means when everything is in its proper place, it's so much easier to make the cookies. Unorganized means I put everything away quickly and without thinking last time, and now I can't find what I need to make the cookies. Prepared means looking at the cookie recipe ahead of time to make sure you have everything you need. Unprepared means going ahead and making the batter only to realize halfway in that you're out of chocolate chips and don't even have a baking sheet. Compromise means she wanted to make really big cookies, but he wanted to make teeny tiny cookies. So they thought about it together and decided to make medium-sized cookies. Empathy means your feelings somehow came into my feelings, and it feels to me like you could use a cookie right now. Thanks for understanding how I feel. Kindness means giving me your cookie was the nicest thing ever. Listening means while you're explaining how to make the cookies, I'm paying real close attention with my ears and even my eyes too. Contribute means you don't just sit back while everyone else makes the cookies. Each of us is doing our part and adding something good. Shall we call these chocolate all chip in cookies? Procrastinate means when they told us about the bake sale last week, I could have easily made one batch a day, but instead I kept putting it off. Oh, I'll do it tomorrow. And now I have to bake a ton of batches all in one night. Diligent means without anyone reminding me, I came home each day and worked really, really hard on the cookie project. Persevere means we kept trying and trying, and even though this new recipe was super difficult, we never gave up, even when we ruined the cookies for the 10th time. Arrogant means why is she acting like her cookies are so much better than everyone else's? Humble means she doesn't go around talking about how great her cookies are. She just quietly does her thing. These are the best cookies I've ever had. Gosh, thank you so much. Ponder means concentrating and wondering and thinking carefully about what kind of cookies to make for our friend. Daydream means I'm imagining all the wonderful things I can do with cookies one day. Creative means there are always fresh new cookie ideas to be thought of. Cookie, cook-e, cook-tea. Dishonesty means, well, no one's around to see, so I'm taking the cookie. Integrity means it doesn't matter whether anyone sees or not. I know inside myself that it's not my cookie to take. I'm glad I left it there. It makes me feel peaceful and whole. Curious means I want to know everything about these cookies. Wow, there are so many different and wonderful kinds of cookies here. Which ones do you like the most? Who invents the recipes? And where do sprinkles come from anyway? Inspire means seeing what you've done here fills me with energy and new thoughts and the desire to now try to see what I can do. Here's the one smart cookie recipe that makes about 40 cookies. Or save a sizable portion of the batter to make, you guessed it, one smart cookie. The end.